Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x with the times e with the power of x divided by 2 dx. Okay, this integral you can solve using the formula for integration by part. That is, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here I define x as u, here x is u, therefore dx will be equal to du. And I define e with the power of x divided by 2 dx as dv. Therefore, v will be equal to integral of e with the power of x divided by 2 dx. Okay? And this integral will be equal to 2 times e with the power of x divided by 2. Okay? So if it's not clear for you how to take this integral, integral of e with the power of x divided by 2 as 2 times e with the power of x divided by 2, just write for me in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. Okay, so now you have these expressions, you need to substitute them into this equation. Okay, so therefore this integral will be equal to u times v, u is x, v is this one, so uv will be equal to 2x e with the power of x divided by 2 minus integral of v du, and v here is 2 e with the power of x divided by 2 times du, and du according to this equation is equal to dx. Okay, so therefore this will be equal to 2x e with the power of x divided by 2 minus 2 is the constant, so I can take it out of the integral of e with the power of x divided by 2 dx, and that will be equal to 2x e with the power of x divided by 2 minus 2, and the integral of e with the power of x divided by 2 as we showed here is equal to 2e x with the power of e with the power of x divided by 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral, or you can write it as 2x times e with the power of x divided by 2 minus 4 times e with the power of x divided by 2 plus c. Okay, and that is the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.